What's up, folks? This is your boy DJ Troy in the building. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. I know there was a huge blizzard in the Northeast. I'm in the Northeast, so I was previewed to it, but all I did was just do some Netflix and chill, spend some time with the family, and try my best to stay safe. Some people went out and had a lot of fun. Of course, there was this thing called the snow challenge. And the snow challenge is basically you get naked and you go outside and you jump inside the snow. And it was a very crazy situation where people were going outside naked. And a lot of people reacted negatively to this. There's a lot of videos on people's reaction to the snow challenge. There was even a picture being posted of a girl who actually went out to the snow challenge and her boyfriend caught her and beat her up. Who knows if it's true or not, but it is what it is, right? There was also some tragedy during the blizzard of 2016, the first blizzard actually. There was some deaths, some people while shoveling snow, some by carbon monoxide. And it's very tragic. My condolences to those families. I hope that you guys continue to stay safe and continue to, do your best. For my peoples who are in Texas and Miami and all those hot places, continue to enjoy your weather. Okay? It's what's up. Over the weekend, everybody had one thing on their mind. Well, most of America. And besides the blizzard, besides the snow, it was football. So, shout outs to the Denver Broncos for beating the New England Patriots. It's one of these epic games that you wouldn't soon forget. Peyton Madden had a wonderful game, and shout out to the New England Patriots. Now, there was another epic game, and that was between the Arizona Cardinals and the Carolina Panthers. And the Panthers won with their superstar quarterback, Cam Newton. This game was epic. The final score was 15-49. You know, Panthers win it 49-15 over the Cardinals, and it was just one of these epic games. So shout outs to these two wonderful teams, Carolina Panthers and the Denver Broncos. They are gonna be going head to head in 2 weeks at Super Bowl 50. Okay, and I think it's gonna be one for the ages. I'm gonna be the first one to tell you guys I'm not the biggest football fan. I'm a Super Bowl kind of guy, meaning that I watch the conference finals, then I go into Super Bowl. So forgive me if I'm a bandwagon fan, but from what I've seen, okay, over the weekend, it seems like Carolina Panthers, okay, are gonna beat the Denver Broncos. Okay? That's what I believe. That's who I'm picking for Super Bowl 50. Carolina Panthers. So let's see. All right? Let's see what's going to happen because this guy, Cam Newton, is just on a whole nother level. In the celebrity world, it has just gotten a little crazy. Okay? Of course, I have to put out my disclaimer that you guys know that I always say that the Kardashian machine will continue to win and there's nothing stopping them. So let me put out that disclaimer out there one time. Now, there is a drama brewing in the Kardashian family right now. Okay? It looks like Rob Kardashian, okay, is engaging in a relationship with Blac Chyna. And if you guys know who Blac Chyna is the ex best friend or ex-friend of Kim Kardashian. Also, Tyga, the rapper's ex. Okay? Also, it was reported at one point or the other that Tyga left Blac Chyna for Kylie Jenner. Okay? So do you guys see this whole mess? Huh? Now, this is a drama that I would not want to wish on any of my family. Okay? On any of my family. This is too much to handle. Okay? This is too much to handle. Blac Chyna being involved with Rob Kardashian. This is just like holy macamole. Like, wow. Are you serious right now? Like, really? Is this for real? Like, like really? So, um, I don't know how this is gonna go down, but I'm gonna tell you guys to stay tuned to your boy DJ Troy, and I'll have some follow-ups on this. I don't even know if to call it a love triangle, an incest triangle, I don't even know what the hell is going on here. It just seems very crazy. Okay?